right here.
Oh, where's the cut? Oh, you know, I bet there's a cut under there.
Yeah, just sit it right in there. I'm gonna. Let's just do it. Just there. I don't know if I can see this or not. Oh god. Nope, doesn't come out like that. It's nice. Alright, attempt number 2. Yep. Hold on. See if you could maybe. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
There we go. Nice. Sweet. Sponsor us.
Probably time for a new radiator at this point. This thing is so gross. It's got leaves and dead bugs in it.
Unlabeled size.
Tin foil? You can't. The freaking see. You can't wrap something around it because the whole fucking shifter.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just put some silicone in there. Just fill it all up. I'm just kidding. Obviously no. Do you have a piece of cardboard?
Yeah. Yeah, this one's shaped like a bowl, kinda.
Oh, nice, dude. Dude, should we try to smoke out of it?
Not like that kind of bowl.
Oh,
What happened?
smoke some. We should smoke out of it. Kinugawa.
Kinugawa. Dude, this bitch hard. This freaking line's in my way. I'm just trying to
I see you
guess.
struggling.
I'm just trying to guesswork at how to get this. Am I close? Like that.
I know she's on. Got it. You want a shallow socket?
It's already off.
Oh.
I just gotta do the back one. Oh, it's a different size. That's cool.
What size does it look to be?
Well, this is a 7. It was a 17. I think there might be a 17 right there. The bigger one. 17. Hoo-wee mama.
My knocks, dude. Oh, you're on.
Oh, it's leaking already. It's just cool as shit. Let it leak. I don't care. I mean, yeah, whatever. Times like these make you wish you had a real ratcheting ratchet, not just one that doesn't ratchet.
Do you want a real ratcheting ratchet?
Yeah. Ah! My!
The sunlight hurts my eyes. You know that song?
Ah, don't drop it on my face.
I got you.
Sunlight hurts.
You know that song?
Oh, I know that song.
The sunlight hurts
I
my
love dubstep.
eyes.
These Chinese AM lines low-key suck.
Yeah.
You tighten them down once and they're fucking warped.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just too strong. There we go. Look at that one's
Nice.
I gotta get the other one on the other side.
There's another line on top of that too that's small.
That one doesn't. Ah!
What was that?
Cool into my face. Alright, it's coming off. Is it? No.
Cool.
I think should come out.
The whole thing goes out.
If there's room for it. What are we hitting? What are we hitting here? Exhaust.
Oh, you still have a nut on there, dude.
Where?
On this, right here.
Oh, I thought I left them all off. You're right. Yeah, hold that puppy on there so it doesn't fall. It makes sense how it was so hard to come off because it was a bolt.
Pulling it out.
That's crazy. That's what they do.
Here, I'm gonna try to get under it more so I can.
Put this thing in here. Oh, that's
Beautiful.
Look at that. This is gonna be the oil.
There she is.
Oh, dude, it threw on my J's, brother. Dude.
Yeah, it's like a shape of it. Ones. I bet you Ryan would love making something like that.
Oh yeah.
Eliminate as much rotating mass. I did notice a pretty big difference in like rev speed when I did that lightweight flywheel on my car.
You didn't notice
I
much?
did notice.
Did?
Mm-hmm. It wasn't like super significant, but it definitely revved quicker. Like, you know, like in neutral and like, you know, between gear changes or whatever. Like, it was much easier to like downshift and like match it perfectly. Like just that little blip is like the perfect amount.
Got the coil pack injector harness off. Almost ready to pull it. Day 2.5. Pulling the engine out. Got it mostly chained up, unplugged, unplumbed, ready to come out. Hopefully it works. A little bit of leakage. We're almost halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Good news is we're halfway out. Looking good. Total awesome clearance. Bad news is we forgot to take the shift knob off. So now we have to deliver the baby. Because we're stuck. It's held on literally by the shift knob.